In this video, I'm going to show you two different ways that you can turn yourself into a cartoon in Canva. So what I'm going to do is go to Uploads on Canva, and I'm going to drag in a photo. So I just thought this photo would work great, so we're going to try it with this one. I've not actually tried it yet. Now I'm going to show you two different ways which are going to give you two different results. So the first thing you want to do is click on your image, then head to Apps in the bottom left hand corner, and then you want to search for Cartoon, and then you should get Cartoonify appear. So go ahead and click on Cartoonify and then click on that app. Now what that's going to do is it's going to scan for an image that you want to cartoonify and replace, and it's then going to cartoonify the image you have selected. So make sure you've selected your image if you've got several images. So you can see we've now cartoonified that image and it actually looks really cool. So I'm going to show you one more way and it's going to give you another result. So I'm going to drag in that same image. Then we're going to go to Apps and we want to now search for anime. And here you should see Animify. Go ahead and click on Animify and then do the same thing. Select the image, then click here where it says Animify your image. And there you can see we've got another result. It's a slightly different result. But those are two different ways that you can turn yourself into a cartoon in Canva completely for free. I hope that did help you out.